In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix advertiser verification in Google Ads 2025. If you've ever run into issues with verifying your advertiser status in Google Ads, you know how crucial it is to get it right. Let's dive in and walk through each step to ensure everything goes smoothly. First, you're going to navigate over to Google Ads, your go-to platform for online advertising to get new customers and boost your business sales. Once you're on the Google Ads homepage, look out for the Sign In button, typically located in the upper right hand corner. This is your gateway to accessing your advertising account. After clicking Sign In, you'll be prompted to enter your login credentials. Make sure you have your Google account information ready, because without it you won't be able to proceed. Once you're successfully logged in, it will seamlessly take you to your personalized Google Ads home. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the homepage. This is your dashboard, a central hub from where you'll manage all your ads, campaigns, and of course the verification process. Now from the Google Ads home, it's time to move on to the next crucial step by heading over to the billing section. You can typically find the billing tab in the menu on the left side of your screen. Click on this tab to continue. Navigating to billing is an important part of the process because this is where Google houses all your account's financial transactions and verification information. Here you can review your payment methods, invoices, and monitor any pending actions. Once you've opened the billing section, search for the advertiser verification link. It should be relatively easy to spot. Look for it either on the menu or possibly highlighted if there are actions pending. Clicking this will take you to the verification page. On the advertiser verification page, follow any prompts or instructions from Google. Typically, this might involve uploading some identity documents or verifying your business address. Make sure you have all necessary documents at hand, such as your business registration certificate or a utility bill in the name of your business. Submit these documents according to the provided guidelines and ensure the information matches what you've previously set up in Google Ads. After submission, it's a waiting game. Google usually processes these verifications relatively quickly, within a few days. You'll receive a notification once your status has been updated. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should be well on your way to successfully verifying your advertiser status in Google Ads. Remember, keeping this verification in check is crucial for running your campaigns smoothly and following Google's compliance guidelines. Thanks for watching and happy advertising.